Welcome back to part 3 of the video tutorial for the mini golf app, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check for collision between the golf ball in the avatar and also between the golf ball and the hole. So what I want to do first is just make the ball bounce off the avatar just like it bounces off the walls. So let's just change. Here we need to select the image sprite, and on the very top we have the event which is called collided with. So when the image sprite collides with something else which is other here, and we only have other two objects on the canvas, and one of them is static, the hole is not moving. So the only other thing we can collide with is the golf ball. So what I want to do now is change the heading for the golf ball. So we have the set golf ball heading, and let's say currently I think I already changed the heading of the golf ball. It is 78 degrees, and I changed the speed to 5. I want to now change from 78 to negative 78, and I can easily do that by multiplying the current heading by -1. So here is the multiplication block. So I can just do the golf ball, its heading, whatever it is at that point, which is the golf ball dot heading property. I want to just multiply this by -1. I can just type here -1. Okay, once this is done, now I can just go back to the avatar. I'm not sure why the heading didn't change. So let's see, for the golf ball, we want to just make it, I don't know, even 82, for example. And then this should refresh the screen. And let's see what happens now. After a refresh, now every time the golf ball hits the avatar, it should bounce off the avatar. Let's see, and there it is. Okay, so that works. We still don't have collision between the golf ball and the hole. So at this point, the game should stop. So let's do that part now. And that's going to be now with the hole. Sorry, the golf ball. The golf ball, there is a method called flung. So when we fling the ball gets flung, and there are 6 parameters here. The ones we're going to use is the heading and the speed. So first of all, I just want to set the heading. So for the golf ball, I want to set the heading. So set golf ball heading to, and then I want to get, right here I can just say get heading. So wherever direction we fling the ball, it's going to get that direction. And then we also want to set the speed of the golf ball. So also from the golf ball, we need to go down and find the speed property, set golf ball speed to, and then if you only set it to the speed, here it's going to be too slow. So what I need to do is multiply by some number. So let's just go to math. Again, I'm going to use the multiplication, and let's say maybe I can just multiply it by 6. So I can just start 6 times, and then whatever the speed is, and we can take that speed from this block here, 6 times, and then get speed. Okay, now we're going to have one problem that we're going to fix it later in the next video. Now let's just go back to the emulator. I want to now stop the ball, so the speed is going to be 0 to make it stop. And then let's see, so this of course will work much better on an actual phone. It's not going to look that great here, but let's say I want to fling the ball, and it works fine. The only problem is now that this ball will never stop. It's going to keep bouncing off the walls and off the avatar, but it's never going to stop. So in the next video, I'll show you how to use the timer component, and that will slow down the ball. So after maybe 2 or 3 seconds, it will stop moving. Okay,